I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin bag from scratch. The first thing we'll do is cut the pumpkin shape out of cardboard and add interfacing to that layer. Place one of the panels off to the side. Cut a larger pumpkin shape out of leather or vinyl. If you're using leather, you're going to want to grab leather glue. Apply the glue to the wrong side of the leather or vinyl material and place it on the interfacing. Make sure you place it directly in the center so you have enough material to roll over the edge of the cardboard. Using super glue, roll the edges over and glue them down. Repeat the step for both pumpkin panels. Next, we're going to add creases to the pumpkin by following the stitch guides. Mark the creases with chalk or a pencil. Once you're ready, using heavyweight thread, stitch directly on your lines. Now we can grab the face panel and place it on the pumpkin. I'm only placing mine on one of the sides, feel free to place it on both. Then we're going to stitch around the outside edge of each one of the shapes. Moving on to the lining, grab the lining panels and your stem panel. Place the stem on the top edge in the center, add the secondary fabric over top, and stitch all the way around the outside edge as close as you can to the edge. After stitching, grab the pumpkin panels and the lining panels, add glue to the cardboard side, and place the lining panel directly in the center of the pumpkin panels. This is going to complete the outer layer pumpkin panel, so for the moment we can place them off to the side, and grab both the side zipper panels. Add the zipper to the zipper edge, sandwiching in between both of the layers. Stitch it down and repeat the step on the opposite side for the second set of zipper panels. To finish it off, add a top stitch. Next, we're going to grab the bottom side panel, place the secondary fabric layers together. Before sewing, add 2 D-rings directly on top of the zipper. Place the main fabric directly over top with the right sides together, line up both sides, and stitch at a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and then add a top stitch. Next, we can grab the inside panels and the side assembly, mark the centers on both the top and the bottom, place the right sides together. Lining the top edge up on the zipper side, add the second inside panel, and we're going to stitch all the way around the outside edge at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. To finish off the edge, add double fold bias tape. From here, we can grab both the outside pumpkin panels, place them on the inside panel, and stitch all the way around the outside edge. And make sure to stitch through all of the layers. Now we can move on to making the strap. So cut a 2-yard strip, fold it in half, roll the raw edges inward so the right sides are together, and add a stitch to both sides. To finish off the strap, we'll be adding the hardware, which is 2 lobster clasps and 1 strap adjuster. Slide the strap adjuster on, add the clasp, feed the strap back through the strap adjuster, add a second clasp to the opposite side, pin both ends down, and add a zigzag stitch to both sides. Clip the strap to the D-rings and your new pumpkin bag is complete.